Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing the unboxing of Luminous solar panel. It is a polycrystalline type solar cell or solar panel with EVA encapsulation, A grade. It's made in India by Luminous. So in future I will also be making videos on how to install it on your inverter. So without wasting much time, let's do the unboxing of this product. In the behind, you can find the warranty card and technical specifications paper. Now this solar panel comes with a 5 years product warranty and 25 years of performance warranty. Here you can find the technical specifications of this product, which is tested practically in the lab with the open circuit voltage of 22 volts and short circuit current of 6 amps. In the behind, we can find the terminal junction box where two extensions of the terminals are given for external DC connection. One is the positive cable and the other is the negative cable. As I said earlier, it is a polycrystalline type solar panel, hence the cells are in blue color. The monocrystalline type solar cell comes with a black color cells, luminous emblem, 105 watts, made in India. Monocrystalline solar panels are highly efficient and costlier than polycrystalline type. Now let's go with the specification. The peak power is 110 watts. The peak voltage is around 19 volts. Peak current is 6 amps and the short circuit current is also 6 amps. It is a A-grade type solar panel with the open circuit voltage of 23 volts. The MRP price shown on the box is around 8,800, but it costed me around 3,800. I purchased it in Amazon. You can see the technical specifications: 105 watts, 12 volts. It's a polycrystalline type.